Okay folks, welcome to the personal property tour for 26 Windsor Gardens in St Andrews. This is an amazing 3-bedroom, 2-reception, semi-detached, extended property, elevated plot to the rear, and perfect location. You'll only come here if you're visiting someone here or if you live here. That's what's fantastic about this area. Let me pop the camera around and let you see this property you through. Okay, here it is here. It extends all the way from right across, and you can see the extension on the end. And then you've got your ensuite upstairs and there. So ensuite master bedroom is one of them. It's got a dressing room as well. Again, we'll let you see all that as we go through. First thing I noticed straight away is come in, it's a nice welcoming hall. And you've got your utility laundry area into here, but we're going to go upstairs first and look at the 3 double bedrooms. One of them's master ensuite, as I said, with a dressing room as well. Okay. Off to my left hand side first of all, we've got the bathroom, spa style bath over there, an electric shower above. Into the first double bedroom to the front. So a good sized double bedroom, you've got these integrated wardrobes there. Nice wee view over there actually, in between the houses. Across the road, just over to the fields. And then into the dressing area. Now this dressing area is between the 2 rooms, the 2 double bedrooms. So a good sized dressing area. We'll come back to this one in a minute, that's the master. And we have the next double bedroom in here. Nice view at the back actually. Let's have a wee look at that. See over there, you can see way in the distance here. I can see the tip of Fife there. Just right along there. And Tentsmuir is just a wee bit hidden behind that. These trees under there as well. So easy access into there. Also the West Sands is over there, East Sands is over the other way. I could see the steeple in St Andrews at North Street, I think that is, in there. So easy access into the town centre as well. The dressing room, as I said, in here. As we go through and into the next double bedroom, which is the one that was over the garage at the front and the extension, you can see. And that ensuite shower room to the rear. So ensuite shower room to the rear, you've got that rainfall overhead shower in there, and then you've got your WC and your sink behind the door there. Let's have a wee look this way as we come back. Again, you've got these views out the back. And then pop downstairs and we'll go into the living room to the front. Okay, so good sized living room in here. To the front, you've got that big window, brings in a lot of natural light. As we look round, nice depth to this room, good amount of space. As we walk through and then into your breakfast and kitchen. So real good sized breakfast and kitchen off to the side here, easy. And you'll get a freestanding American style fridge freezer. You've also got your microwave over there, you've got your dishwasher under there, your Belfast sink and your range with your extractor above. And then your breakfast bar there in the middle. So ideal for breakfast, but you've got a dining room over there, we'll go there in a minute. We'll just pop in to have a look at this utility laundry area. So cupboard under the stairs there, it does go back through the hall as I said, and you've got a cupboard there as well, but you've got an Ideal Logic condenser system boiler on the wall mounted in that cupboard. Space for your laundry, and you've got your washing machine and your dryer, and then also worktop space as well. Okay, into this dining room. I like that floor, beautiful. And you've got your patio doors out to the rear there. You've got plenty of space in here, and it goes all the way up the back, so it's a seating area as well. Could be a really big sitting room as well for entertaining guests. Off to the rear here, you've got a downstairs WC, as you'll see in there. Now the garage, that goes through in the garage in there. Now the garage is only really suitable for storage, and that's it, because this has been extended into here to make the WC off of the space in the garage. So garage has plenty of storage in there, it's a good size, and then you go back into your dining room over here. Okay, let's pop out the back and we'll finish off. So elevated decking to the rear here. Now this is all perfectly positioned to sit in the sun, you can see that. You've got the table and chairs over there, and as we go down you've got this nice low maintenance paving, as you'll see, and then you pan round and you've got that sunroom, so you know where the sun's coming towards the evening, afternoon and evening. The sun's going to be about here. Everything's perfectly positioned for that reason there, as you can see. And then we'll just take a final look at the rear of the house and we'll finish off and recap. See, it's a big house, isn't it, with extension. Okay, let's finish off here. 3 bedroom, 2 reception, extended semi-detached property on an elevated plot. Ideal location. You'll only come in here, you'll live here, or you're probably visiting someone here. So it's off the beaten track. Straight back onto Bogwood Road, you can get easy access into the town centre. You can go also over the East Sands, also over the West Sands. You've got the Old Corso, home of golf, more than likely, and then the university town of St Andrews as well. So the university is what you're needing. It's easy access into there as well. Private education is St Leonard's. Public education is through Madras College. They've got their new high school as well. And then also you've got easy access into, as I said, North Street, Market Street and South Street if you want to go to the town centre. Shops round the corner, you've got Morrison's, you've got Marks and Spencer's, you've got Aldi's. So what more could you ask for? Everything is on your doorstep here. It is one of the best places you'll ever find in the whole of Scotland. St Andrews is the home of golf, and it also is the university town. And as I said, easy access. Train station, nearest one is over at Leuchars, so a couple of miles up the road you can get access into Leuchars. That'll take you on for commuting as well. So easy access onto Edinburgh from the train station and back over to Dundee and further afield. Now, if you want more details, you can click on the link above or below here and you'll come into the photographs and descriptions. Then if you're needing to contact us, you can contact us, message us direct on this post, or you can contact us on 01334 65 42 21. Until next time guys, I'm Jim Parker for Fife Properties TV.